Hey champs, today we are going to learn how to import custom CSS in our Next.js project. So let's we start. First, we need to create a folder which is style. So every file style CSS import in style folder, new file, my.css and adding a class test class. Now color is red. Now going to the layout page and import. If you want to add globally, so you need to add your CSS in layout CSS layout file. Now copy the class and use into the page.tsx file like this. Now it will change. This is a red color. Now if you want to check the CSS is working or not, so you can add as font size 12 pixel. Now so it will 12 pixel size, and you can add anything here. Background color is green. It will add background color is green. So it's very easy to use custom CSS, and you can add more CSS here, like my one.css and change test class to and add color is green to yellow green, and add this file is import styles my one.css. Now we can change the class here. So these two files add globally. Okay, just class one, my one.css test has to. Okay. So this is happening. So both classes added globally. If you think this video is useful to you, then like, subscribe this channel so you will get this type of video notification, and comments if you want anything from my side. In next video, we will convert a template into Next.js layout. Thank you very much for watching.